Hi, and welcome back with Ron and Eva Cedillo with HBR Team of Home Buyers Realty. And today we're going to talk about probates. This is something that you and I have encountered in the last couple of deals where people thought all their paperwork was ready,
Right.
and it really hasn't been.
Yeah, and it's not fun to be the bearer of bad news when we're trying to explain to them how the process needs to work and how long it can possibly take.
Yes, so a couple of deals that we're dealing with right now, people thought that they've had their wills signed, but that really hasn't held up in court.
Right. They've got a will. It's all in this case it was handwritten, signed, but it wasn't notarized. So we definitely advise, and we'll talk about that a little bit more, how important a living trust is.
Yes, living trust really will help save you time, money, and frustration because you're able to bypass the courts. And the courts take a long time, plus they're very, very expensive. And most typically, you're going to have to get what's called a legal document preparer or an attorney, which is going to cost a lot of money.
Yeah, and that's already a little bit challenging to do when you're in the grieving process.
So a lot of people are really unaware of what probate means. So what we have typically encountered is usually an heir has their parents, grandparents have passed away, and they're left with this home, and they don't know what to do next. And what we're advising people to do is reach out to us, call us, let us take a look at what you have, and then kind of direct you where you need to go next. If it's an attorney you need, that is people that we have relationships with, so we can direct you to the right attorneys. Because if you don't hire the right attorney, it's going to cost you even more time and more frustration because they don't know, it's not in their wheelhouse and they're not familiar with how the courts proceed.
Right. It's really, really important that you have all your steps or all your ducks in a row, so to speak, so that we can get through the process quickly and obviously for the least amount of money.
One of the things that we're going to highly recommend, if you don't have a living trust, also reach out to us. We want to talk about these things because living trust will save you a lot of, will save your heirs a lot of grief, money, and agony going through that process. So not only are we just real estate brokers, but this is an area that we specialize in. We just happen to know it. We've been through the process ourselves, but we've also created relationships with attorneys so we can direct you to the right people. Once again, this is Ron and Eva Cedillo with HBR Team and Home Buyers Realty, and we look forward to talking to you soon with any questions you may have.